Hi, I'm Greg with Mattioni Plumbing, Heating and Cooling. Your water heater is one of the most important appliances in your home. From keeping things clean and sanitary to just enjoying that hot shower. You rely on it daily, so when it stops working, it can be devastating. Today, I'm going to dive into the world of water heaters, answering some of the questions that we get the most about repair and replacement. What is the average lifespan of a water heater? Traditional tank-type water heaters typically last between 9 to 11 years. Their warranties can range anywhere from 6 years up to a lifetime, depending on the model. On the other hand, tankless water heaters can last up to 15 years and often come with a 15-year warranty on the heat exchanger and 5 years on parts. With proper maintenance, both types of water heaters can outlive their life expectancies. How can I tell if my water heater needs to be repaired or replaced? Annual inspections are a great way to assess whether your water heater needs a repair or full replacement. However, inspections don't always reveal the full picture. If your water heater is at or beyond its average lifespan, it might be wise to consider a proactive replacement. Urgent signs that your water heater may need immediate attention include leaking, visible rust or corrosion, running out of hot water faster than usual, or a complete lack of hot water. Is repair or replacement the best option for me? Generally, it's not advisable to invest a lot of money into repairs if your water heater is nearing the end of its life. While certain components like the heating element or pipes around the unit can often be repaired, the tank itself cannot. In these cases, replacement is usually the best long-term solution. What type of water heater is best for me? Tankless water heaters are a great option for large families or households that frequently run out of hot water. They provide endless hot water, are more compact, and are usually mounted on the wall, making them ideal for saving space. However, tank-style water heaters are more affordable up front and are often considered more reliable. When it comes to fuel type, it's usually best to stick with what your home is already set up for, unless you currently use oil. In that case, switching to gas or electric is often a smarter move. These options are not only cleaner, but also more cost-effective, especially as the industry moves away from oil-fired water heaters. What factors affect the price of a water heater replacement? Several factors can impact the cost of replacing a water heater. The size of the unit plays a big role. Larger models are typically more expensive. The fuel type also matters. While gas and electric units are usually similar in price, oil and other less common options may vary. Whether you choose a tank or tankless system also affects the cost, with tankless units generally being more expensive. Lastly, if your home has space restrictions, you may need a specially sized unit or a tankless option, which can influence the overall cost. How much does a water heater replacement cost? For a tank-style water heater, you can expect to pay between $2,500 and $8,000, depending on the fuel type, efficiency rating, and size. Tankless water heaters tend to fall in the range of $6,000 to $8,000. If you suspect you need a repair or replacement of your water heater, give us a call or schedule online with real-time availability, or head over to our Learning Center to learn even more about your home.